हेलो नमस्कार। खुश रहो बच्चों। आई एम जेवियन डॉक्टर शाहनवाज आलम, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर ऑफ ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर. Today we discuss about most important concept of Indian economy. Today topic is liberalization. Liberalization means the removal of unrequisited control and restriction. Efforts are made to create an economic environment in which the industrial and business enterprises may work smoothly and contribute in the process of economic and social development. It is important that liberalization does not mean an uncontrolled economy. It only means the removal of obstacles and unnecessary restrictions in the way of development. Economic liberalizations involve a major shift in the development strategy. It takes away from the minimizing the reliance on international division of labor toward progressive integration with global economy and aggressive participation in it. It take away from the insufficient, inefficient public sector in commercial activity where the clearly focused public sector performance, the core function of the defense, health and education. It take away from direct control regime of license permit, rise toward fairer play to the functioning market. The new strategy is based on diagnosis that persistent poverty has been result of the inadequate expansion of productive employment opportunity and unequal distribution of the income and wealth. In its concept, an economic liberalization imposes upon the market and state to play mutually reinforce a role rather than the mutual suspect, suspicion. The market, their interaction in the past, stabilizations and structural adjustment are two components of economic liberalization. Stabilizing involves correcting the past fiscal profligacy and maintaining a macroeconomic environment that is conducive to the smooth and effective operation domestic international market. It required responsible monetary and fiscal exchange rate policy to maintain the reasonably low rate of inflation and realistic foreign exchange rate that the consistent with visible with healthy balance of payment. Structure adjustment involve reallocating resources that is the capital, labor, skill and entrepreneur so as to reduce the wastage and to improve the international competitiveness of domestic organizations, private enterprises such as producers, traders, agents, servers, investors, entrepreneurs, etc. Need to pay greater need to the single from markets and accept the consequences of commercial risk that go with the free operation of market. They have to resolve the tra- transactional uh, tensions not by approaching the government for the bailout by the accepting and relying on market-based mechanism and adjustment. Economic liberalization is not a solution for social and political problems. Economic liberalization creates an environment to freer operation market even through Everybody may not be able to take the advantage of the opportunity. Simultaneously, there would always be those who would set the example for other flow and also provide the signal for opportunities which others are unable to unwilling. Thank you.